is Shipra again with my new DIY activity. So on behalf of Yellow Class, I welcome you for this DIY activity. But before I start my activity, you all know, let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. And what we have today, I have this beautiful rose, which I feel is the simplest way of making a rose. Okay, so you can use it for a card, you can just use it for any decoration. Let us see what all things do we need. So a sheet, okay. I have used brush pens here, kids, pencil and brush pens. So this is my pencil to draw the flower. Brush pens, or even you can use crayons. These are my brush pens, red, orange, and little bit of yellow I have taken, and a black sketch pen, and definitely the green ones for the leaves. So the green ones for the leaves. So even if you don't have brush pens, don't worry, you can use crayons, you can use oil pastels also. Okay, so should we start our thing? Perfect. So here you don't basically need an eraser because this is quite a simple rose. What you are going to do, just make a big U. Okay, so we have made a big U and then a V covering this. Then again a V covering this like this. And then we'll make a roll. Okay, and then we'll make the simple petals. Okay, and then we'll make the stem. So our rose is ready, kids. Isn't it easy? Okay, and then the leaves. So it's a very freestyle rose which you can easily make. So I hope this is easy. So now let us start with our coloring part. So before coloring, what I will do, I will just give my outline properly with a thin sketch pen, black sketch pen. Okay. So we are just doing the outline and then we will do the coloring. So coloring, you can use brush paints, you can use crayons, you can use oil pastels also. Okay, so should we start? Perfect. So we are just simply doing the brushing. Very simple. With your brush paints, with your crayons, you can color this. And then after that, once we will color this, we will give the shading proper, which I have done very less to make it the simplest rose you guys can make. Okay, kids? So this is the simplest rose. I always feel it's quite easy. Just in a minute or so, you can make it. So we have done the red color properly. Now we'll just give the shading. Okay. So which will be very less. Okay. Which will be just giving little shade here and there. Even you can use pink color or orange color. So that depends how you want to give. So it will just lighten my few shades. Okay. It was like this is bright red and where I have given little orange and yellow. So it has lightened that area. So our rose is ready, kids. Now we'll do the green part, which is again very simple. Just take a brush pen or anything, crayons or something which you are using, and just color it again. If you want to give the markations in the leaves, you can do that way also. So basically our rose is ready, kids. With the black sketch pen, I'm just going to give few lines like this. In this, I have used red color or pink color also. Here I have given a yellowish shading. So I hope the instructions were clear. You were able to make this. Do share your videos. Do share your feedback. Thank you for watching the video. And I, Shipra, is going to come back again with more DIY activities. Till then, take care. Thank you.